Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday.
Breaking news, stay at home.
That COVID-19 can be characterized as a pandemic.
This is not a test. This is your biohazard warning system. Due to the new COVID-19 virus, the following measures come into effect. We are announcing the start of the immediately effective nationwide quarantine. Visits to relatives, neighbors, or friends will be illegal during this time. We hope for yourself and your family to be prepared for the worst. A nation reborn. May God be with you all.
Funniest thing happened. Are you feeling nervous? Are you having fun? It's almost over, it's just begun. Don't overthink this, look in my eye. Don't be scared, don't be shy. Come on in, the water's...
Well, to be honest, I never really was quite all there anyway, so I really didn't lose too much, did I?
Got it good, now get inside.